checking into Anda's hotel today for a staycation. Wow!
So you guys can wait first, and then we'll come up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, okay. 저거 너무 예쁘다. That was not a. Did you hear the sound? That was funny. Try again. 1, 2, 3. Something smells like cucumber. No. Where? No, it's a hand sanitizer. Oh.
그 여기를 they're gonna connect it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Hi, I see you.
I changed to the Jones APJs and we came to get coffee and the rest of the girls went to get bop. Like they needed some like hangover cure, so
Yeah.
they went to eat. I got a chai latte.
And I got an Americano. It's pretty.
Look! We don't have umbrellas.
Dude, it's getting so. What the?
Dude, you see the wind like carrying the rain? Is this what we get for being arrogant and not bringing our umbrellas? We're waiting for the other girls to come to our rescue. We're being so clingy. Like, have you abandoned us? Don't abandon us. Don't leave us. The girls came to the rescue. Thank you. Yeah.
So windy.
Yeah.
I have to hold my umbrella like this because it kept lifting.
Ashley left her camera. Reunited! We got
never
cheese
forget
and
you.
wine on that way. 맞아. She was so worried.
No, I was freaking out.
But it's Korea.
Oh my god.
You found your camera last time.
We finally got the key to the suite room. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Whoa, this is cute. Wow.
Whoa, look at this big bed. Wait, what's here? Wow. Wow.
I want to sleep here. 나 여기서 잘래. I'll sleep here.
와, 여기 봐.
So nice.
Two TVs here.
Hey.
Yeah,
Oh
a
god.
lot of Korean indoor swimming pools. It's hard to do.
아, 귀여워.
겁나 잘해 보여.
We're all enjoying. Yeah, and we're gonna go eat.
Yes.
지니야, 커튼 열어줘. 지니야, 커튼 열어줘. That's right. 이거 보이는데? 떡볶이. 스파이시?
너무 맛있어.
맛있어? Rooming with Joe, and we're gonna say goodnight now because it's 4 a.m.
Night.
지니야, 블라인드 올려줘.
Can I trust my emotions? Is it the heat of the moment? Cause my heart just exploded when I saw your face. Cause your eyes held me captive. Ooh, I ain't asking for ransom, and I'm still not reacting. What am I waiting for? Am I afraid I wanna talk to you? I should've known, I should've stopped for you. Ooh, I've been waiting for a girl like you, but I don't know if I should make a move. Cause I may never come back here, and I may never see you again, but I won't forget that ocean blue, your ocean blue.
Or if you can't choose, just order anything and he really just makes you anything. 너 이거 한번 해볼까?
그러니까 나도 지금 그거.
She's getting 아무거나 anything. Should I be experimental too? 얼마야? 아무거나는?
괜찮아.
아무거나로. 저도 아무거나 주세요.
6,000원 붙여봐야 될게요.
맛있었으면 좋겠다. 와우. 너무 예쁘다.
얘는 호섬유라는 건데 베이스가 따로 있어서 위아래를 섞어서 주는 게 제일 맛있고요. 일단 레몬맛.
색깔 너무 예쁜데?
진짜 똑같아. 진짜 섞으니까
우와.
완전 언니 먹을래.
He gave me a glass of water saying that it was anything, but he was joking with me. 감사합니다. So I originally went to the dentist because I thought I might have cavities, or I thought my teeth in the back cracked. So I went to get that checked out, but turns out I'm fine. I don't have any problems. So I just got my teeth whitened. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, they're a little whiter. And I came home, I was resting for a bit, edited for a little, laid down in bed, and then I have to slowly make my way to radio. So I'm eating dinner now. Because I've been eating like trash for the last 2 days, I'm eating a salad from Sprout that I had left over. Thank God my stomach has been okay. I got my dressing here with my taco salad bowl.